A common network issue that Windows 11 users face is this error. So in this video, we will walk you through a complete troubleshooting process to get rid of the error. As for the first fix, connect to the network using another device. This is mainly because there's a chance that there's nothing wrong with your Windows 11 computer, but you might also get the error due to a network-related issue. To test it out, try to connect to the same network using a different device. Now if you run into the same error, you will have to solve your network issues. Next up, manage the network drivers on your Windows 11. Do it by updating network drivers by opening Device Manager, expand the Network Adapter section, right-click on the wireless adapter for your device, and click on Update Driver. Additionally, if the issue started after you installed a new network driver, roll back your driver by right-clicking on the adapter, select Properties, go to the Driver tab, select Rollback Driver, and then Windows will install the previous version of the network driver. As for the last option, check for Windows updates. To update the Windows setting to the latest version, go to Settings, click Windows Updates, then select Check for Updates. So that's how you can fix the following error in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.